With all the different kinds of nut butter that are available today, have you ever wondered what is the most unique kind of nut butter you can make? Today, we'll show you how we make mixed nut butter. Go ahead and taste that, bud, and tell us if you like that.
Better than peanut butter.
And that is really good. Hi friends, thanks so much for stopping by our kitchen.
Dad and I are glad you could stop by our kitchen.
We sure are. In fact, today we're going to show you another one of our nut butter series episodes, mixed nut butter. If you're interested in other healthy recipes that are kid-friendly, subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you can receive the next recipes as they come out. With all the different allergies in our world today, many people have a peanut allergy. There are all sorts of nut butters, and you've seen some of those in our series so far. If you haven't caught the first part, go ahead and click the card in the screen right now. You can see the other nut butter recipes that we have. Today, as we make mixed nut butter, Josiah, what kind of nuts do we have? We have
almonds, peanuts, and cashews.
That's right. So we have a half cup of
Cashews.
and 1 cup of
Peanuts.
and 1.5 cups of.
Almonds.
That's right. Now, we roasted our own almonds. Of course, it was in our cast iron skillet. We bought our peanuts and our cashews already roasted, but you could roast them yourselves. You could buy your almonds roasted. In fact, really, you can make any combination of nuts that you want to make mixed nut butter. If you're interested in sweetening it, you can sweeten it with some honey or some other natural sweetener. But we aren't going to sweeten it because we enjoy all of these nut butters without sweetener. With peanut butter, you don't need to add any oils. But with these other nuts, they're a little more dry. And so today we're going to add 1/3 cup of what kind of oil, Josiah?
Olive oil.
That's right. And then we'll use a pinch of salt. And that just helps to pull out the flavors. So Josiah, let's go ahead and put our nuts right into our wet container of the Vitamix. We've got the almonds. There we go. Look at that, and we only lost 1. Excellent. Let's go ahead with the cashews. Excellent. And then we have
Peanuts.
and put those in. Good job. And I caught the one. Oh, and I dropped it. There we go. So there are our 3 types of nuts. Go ahead and pour the oil in there, Josiah. Right in the container. Excellent. And then we do a pinch of salt. So go ahead and do a pinch of the salt. Excellent. And that's just, again, to help pull out the flavors of those nuts. It's great. We have all of the nuts in here. We'll go ahead and get it on the Vitamix and get it blending. But if you're interested in seeing Josiah's first experience with nuts and a Vitamix, go ahead and click the card and watch how he made peanut milk. But let's go ahead and make our mixed nut butter, Josiah. Here it is. Go ahead and turn it on. And there is our mixed nut butter. As you can see, it does have a nice, smooth, runny consistency. It will get a little more thick as it cools down. And taste that, bud, and tell us if you like that.
Better than peanut butter.
And that is really good. Now we're going to go ahead and store it in our Snapware container. Enjoy your mixed nut butter. Our question for you today is, what is the most unique kind of butter you have made? Let's start a conversation in the comment section below. Thanks so much for joining us today on Kitchen Time with Dad. Remember, healthy food for
Happy families.
See you next time.
Mixed nut butter.